Hello everyone. Hello. Today we will make golden painting like this. So you will need molded and sparkling pearl color and Fevicol. Hello everyone. So now I'm changing my camera angle. We will make painting like this. So first of all we make with molded. We will make this type of design. It is for round shape. We will make other design with molded. It contains 2 packets, and we will take, first of all we take some powder, then we mix it like this. We will make Ganesha. Mix it well. Then I am making Ganesha like this. I made it with molded, and now I am going for this, make for this. But I am making some different because I made this already. We will divide it in so many parts like this. First of all we make Ganesha face like this. Then again we will make his leg like this. Again I am making his leg. Now I am making his hand like this. And now I am making his ears. Like this. And now we'll make his mukut. And When it will dry, I will set on this, but now I am keeping outside this for dry it. After dry, we will apply on this. Now we will make painting on this. We apply Ganesha here. So first of all, we sketch on this. I am making a straight line because I already make in circle way. With this, we can make like this, and we can also sketch in a straight line. So I am doing this, and again it is apply. You can apply directly, apply, it is good. And I applied black paint on this, fabric paint on this. We'll sketch on this. So we need to make kupi. For fill this pearl metallic color, sparkling pearl color, we will make kupi like this, like mehendi kupi. And then we make kupi like this. Then we fill this sparkling pearl color. Now we will apply tape on this like this. We make this kupi like mehendi kupi, and then it is so loose. So we will apply on this like. I made already 2 kupis. It is so loose. We make like this, sparkling pearl metal pearl color. We can make so much design like mehendi design on this. We will apply fabric black paint on this. Let's adjust camera. Is it visible? After that we will apply stone for decorate it. Is it visible? We will make so much design on this as our choice. And again we will apply this Ganesha on this. And again we can make design with this refill. Is it visible? I made this in circle, but in this painting I am making in square. Okay, now we will apply his leg on this. Like this, and like this. Now I am applying his hand. Just in circle. And again we will apply his ears on this. Ask me any question, I can read your message. Okay, now we will apply his ears on this. Like this and like this. And then we will make his mukut. And we can make design with this refill like this. Ask me any question. So, It is just a coat, and you can directly make on ply board. I applied black fabric paint on this. I already did this, that's why it is dry now. अगर आप नहीं देख पा रहे हैं तो मैं जितना भी कमेंट्स है उसको स्लाइड कर सकते हैं. Now we will make design in outside area like this. Which material you applying to from the structure of Ganesha? This is molded. I made with this. It contains 2 packets in this, and first of all I mixed it. Then after it is so loose, and after dry it will be like a stone. It will be hard. Other question if you want to ask me. Okay, now we will paint this sparkling pearl color. I made this copy with this, like this. I made so much copies, and I fill this paint on this sparkling pearl color, and we can paint directly with this. We will paint Ganesha like this. Awesome, Silpi. Thank you, Silpi. I will understand this. We give the finishing with black paint. Okay, now we make so much design in this, like this. Just first of all I sketch on this side and this side, then we will make so much small design in this, like visible? We will apply black paint on this. If you can make this directly on plywood, apply black base on this. I made on this type of coat. I already made this in just simple coat. I applied black paint on this fabric paint. It is shinier, and then we'll make design like this. I am applying sparkling pearl color, fabric sparkling pearl color on this. Okay, now we will sketch on this. And now I'm making some different design like this. We'll make so much cookies, and now we'll make design like this, and again we'll make like this. एनी क्वेश्चन? शिल्पी थैंक यू। कुमारी प्रिया नहीं दिख रहा है। अच्छा, अब दिख रहा है। आई थिंक इट इज़ विजिबल नाउ। We can make other design also, like mehendi design. We will decorate it with stones again. After that we will decorate it with so much stones. Now we will apply this sparkling pearl color again on this. Repeat again. Double coat we need to apply, otherwise white color is very nice. Any confusion? If you not understand anything, ask me. Okay, again we'll sketch on this. We'll make same design on this area. What fill in cone? I fill in this copy sparkling pearl color, fabrical sparkling pearl color. I made copy like this and then I fill like mehndi copy. Sabita. Now I am going to make a small way in this side. What material used in cone? Same question. And you can ask me other question if you want to ask. Did okay, now we will make design in this. And now I am going to decorate it with stone. First of all, I applied on this coat this black fabric paint. Just applied in brush with this brush, and now I am making this. You can directly make on canvas, board, and ply. But firstly, we will apply black paint on this. Then after we will apply this sparkling color. Okay, now is it visible? Amazing. Thank you. Okay, now I'm applying this pearl color again on this Ganesha. I hope it is dry now, and now I'm going to apply again on this. We will apply double coat on this. Then we will apply on stone on this. This is a sparkling pearl color. Now I am going to decorate it. Okay. We will make the same design on this area, and otherwise you can make other design also. So we will apply stones like this, just golden stone. Okay. Now it is not dry yet, then we can apply on this without Fevicol. Just we will apply in this whole side, and again in this area, in this we apply golden stone on this. If you have any confusion, ask me. Like this, we will apply it in whole side, and again I am explaining in this side, in this side, and in this, and we can also apply in this side for its shining. Apply like this, and same again in this area, and in this. I hope you understand. First of all, you take any board like this, any cartoon like this. If you have any cartoon, just and canvas board, otherwise you can take ply and just apply fabric paint on this on whole side. Then after we will make kuppy with this, just like this, with sparkling pearl color, and apply like this. And I made this Ganesha with molded. I made it also with molded, and you can make other design also. So I hope you understand. Now I am changing my camera direction. Ask me any question if you not understand. Thank you, Silpi. Amazing, thank you. See this. And now we will apply it in whole side, and we will make this design on whole side also. Same technique. Okay. We will meet again. Bye bye everyone. Goodbye.